Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on a Ford Mustang V6. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a 15mm wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 5 quarts of new 5W20 motor oil and a fresh oil filter. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake before you begin. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely raise the front of your Mustang using ramps or jack stands to give yourself enough clearance. Locate the oil drain plug, which is typically on the passenger side of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath, then carefully remove the 15mm drain plug and allow all the old oil to flow out completely. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, usually on the front, driver's side of the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being ready for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by an additional 1/4 turn. Once the old oil has fully drained, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 19 foot-pounds. Now, it's time for the fresh oil. Remove the oil fill cap and carefully pour in about 5 quarts of new 5W20 motor oil. Replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Finally, check the oil level with the dipstick and visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug or filter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.